Today, I will complete talking about data quality with accuracy. Accuracy assesses the correctness of data by comparing it to a trusted source or a benchmark. I'll show you how we can calculate the accuracy of the data using this code. You can find it on my GitHub. The link will provide it in the YouTube channel. First of all, I'm loading the required libraries, pandas. Then this is a sample data set of the data, and this is the reference data, but I will compare it with the original data. Then we create two Panda data frames, and then we create an accuracy check variable and assign the result of the comparison between data frame and the reference data frame. This comparison is done using equal sign operator, which will return true for matching values and false for non-matching values. Here we calculate the accuracy percentage by taking the mean of the accuracy check data frame for each column. The mean operation treats true as 1 and false as 0, so it efficiently calculates the percentage of matching values in each column. And here I'm outputting the results. The accuracy check shows true where data matches the reference data frame, and false where it doesn't. The accuracy percentage indicates the proportion of matching values in each column relative to the total number of records. This output indicates that the age column is the only one that we need to analyze it because its accuracy is 80. So the summary here is an accuracy percentage can be calculated by taking the mean of the comparison results for all columns and multiplying by 100. This represents the proportion of matching data values relative to the total number of the data points. Of course, the higher the percentage of accuracy is, the better. Thank you.